In today's video, I will teach you how to solve Rubiks Cube with 2 Look PLL, which means permutation of last layer. It's the last step of CFOP method. In the previous video, I had shown you how you can use OLL to orient the top layer and make a yellow face. So by using PLL, we will match the edges and corners and eventually cube will be solved. So let's start the tutorial. 2 Look PLL has 2 steps. In the first step, we will solve the corners, and in second step, we will solve the edges. This way, the last layer will be completely solved. Step 1. Case number 1. In the first case, we can see we have 2 corners of same color. Right now we don't have to focus on edge. By chance the color of my edge is red as well. Now keep this side to the left and use this algorithm. Now you can see yellow face is already completed. Now the corners are solved. Step 1. Case number 2. In second case, we can see that there are no matching corners. So to solve this, you can hold the cube from any side and apply this algorithm. So initially bring the pair in the left to the top and insert it in the right. And again we bring the pair to the top and insert it in its original position. Now we get a line on the top and solve this using remaining algorithm. Step 2. Case number 1. So in this step, we are gonna solve the edges. This step has 4 cases, so let's start with the first. In this case, we can see we have an edge solved, looking like a line, and rest of the edges are unsolved. So to recognize it, firstly keep the solved edge towards the back and check the direction of edges. They should be moved. I can see here I have an orange edge in green side and a green edge in blue side. So it's clear green needs to move from right to left. Use this algorithm to solve. Step 2. Case number 2. So in this step, left edge will go towards right. Keep the solved edge towards back and check the direction of edges. They should be moved. In the previous case, edge was moving from right to left, and in this case, edge will go from left to right. Use this algorithm to solve it. Step 2. Case number 3. In third case, the opposite edges will be swapped. Like here, red and orange, blue and green. Red will go towards its opposite side and blue will go towards its opposite side. You can solve this by holding it from anywhere and use this algorithm. So the cube is solved. So here's how you can use M to move. Place the thumb here and either use index finger or middle finger. So M move basically means moving middle layer. You can use any of these fingers for M move, but for M to move you need to use both of these fingers. So check this out. Step 2, case number 4. In the last case we need to swap edges and edges, like here red and blue, green and orange. So hold it in a way that one of those edges is in front and another one is facing right. Use the given algorithm to solve. So you have finally solved your cube. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked my video on how to solve Rubik's Cube with Look PLL. And as always, keep learning.